Hello, today I'm going to show you how to pair an Apple Watch to your iPhone. So, today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation and an iPhone 12. It doesn't matter which device do you have, you can have an Apple Watch Series 8, Series 7, Series 6, or an iPhone XR, or iPhone 14, 15, it doesn't really matter. Because it's going to work the same on the all devices. So, first of all, you need to go to the App Store and download the Watch app. Just type Watch, and this is the app you want to download. And if you have already downloaded it, just go to this app, and you want to turn on the Apple Watch by pressing the power button for about 3 seconds. Now the Apple Watch is turning on, and now, as you can see, you need to bring iPhone near the Apple Watch, and you need to click Start Pairing on the iPhone. And you can choose to set it for yourself or to set it up for a family member. I'm gonna choose to set it up for myself. And now, as you can see, on the Apple Watch there is a cloud animation, and you want to scan it with your iPhone. And voila! This is how you pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. If you want to know how to set up a new Apple Watch, there is another video on our channel about that. And this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!